Hello you bunch of cloudheads, Vaping Big here with another review for vapsolo. This is a review, I just give my honest opinion. I do not sell or promote any of these products, so don't ask me where to get them and how much these cost. Now we got something special from vapsolo. It's called the 4-in-1, it's called the Quad. And yeah, it's a little device that has 4 flavors inside there. Looking at the device, it's quite straightforward there. It's pretty huge. You get your USB-C on the bottom for charging. And you got 4 flavors on the inside. So there are 10 flavors, 10 flavor combinations available. To switch flavors, you just pop one in, and you pop it back into another flavor. Now it's strawberry melon. Pop it again. It's blueberry ice, and that's how simple it works. I've seen this before with pre-filled cartridges. Yeah, this is a closed system there. You get 80k puffs, so that's 20k per flavor on puffs. It's pretty simple. 650 mAh internal battery. Yeah, well, there is a display there. It'll show you the battery percentage, then jumps to the liquid capacity of the last used flavor. As soon as you draw on it, it will measure the amount of liquid for that specific flavor. Yeah, quite simple, pretty straightforward there. So yeah, doesn't state how much ml of liquid for each flavor is in there or total. Yeah, it is. There's no draw adjustment there. There's no power adjustment. It's just a very simple device and easy to use. Pretty cool. Yeah. Let's give you a little bit of the unboxing experience here. Yeah. Power e-liquid light display just shows you it has for each flavor has this separate 1 ohm mesh coil. That's why it says *4. It's ×4. So there are 4 coils in there. Yes, already hit on that. 650 mAh and up till 80k puffs there. These have 2% of nicotine. It's also available in 5% nicotine. It does have the warning there, of course. These are the flavors. This is number 9 of the flavor combination. You got mixed berry, cherry lemon, strawberry watermelon bubblegum, and strawberry kiwi. And this one has watermelon ice, strawberry mango, blueberry ice, and fizzy cherry. So it's like cherry soda. So yeah, just open her up like that. Boom, you got your nice vapsolo there. This one is green apparently. And yeah, Quad's 4-in-1. There we go. Should be able to tear one open somewhere. There we go. Slide her out. A nice green one and black. You see, I do like the design of this. It's just one color in black. No crazy cartoons on there. Oh, I can already smell the flavors out there. You just unplug that pluggy there, and she's ready to go. There was that strawberry kiwi there. Yeah, that's all there is actually to this device. Let's dive on top and try out these flavors, shall we? On top with the vapsolo Quads, yeah. So, no jaw adjustment, 1 ohm coil, so it is MTL. So you gotta pull on it, inhale, exhale, that's the way to use it. So it's pretty straightforward. I do like the option of having 4 flavors in one device. I usually get refillable devices. I take a couple with me because I like to switch up the flavors, and now you are able to do that in one device. Pretty cool. If 4 flavors is not enough for you, check out, I got a link below for the 6er that has 6 flavors. You can check out that review as well. So yeah, let's go over the flavors. Let's start with the blue one. I got fizzy cherry. Let's go. Yeah, it's a sweet candy-ish cherry there. A little bit like the cherry that you have in a cherry Coke without the Coke. Nice sweet flavor. Not much, no ice in there, at least I can't find it. Pretty nice. Let's go to strawberry ice. This should have some ice. Oh yeah, I'm getting that candy-ish strawberry there. With a mild ice, just carrying that flavor, not too much, just as I like it, so pretty good. Let's go to strawberry mango. Uh-oh, mango. Mango is a dangerous flavor for me. I'm getting that mango. No, I'm not disliking this. It's like the candy-ish mango. It doesn't taste like piss, so that's pretty good. I'm also getting a little bit of strawberry. I think they did a 50-50 blend. The mango is a little bit overpowering the strawberry, but it's not unpleasant. Really nice. Yeah, 2 devices, 8 flavors. We go for watermelon ice, usually my favorite. So yeah, you move the thing and then it will be next to the flavor it is. Oh yeah. Yeah, my favorite in this device is the watermelon ice, yeah. A red watermelon. And just a little bit of ice, so pretty nice. They didn't overdo the ice. I really like it. There, you notice in each flavor there is sweetener involved, for sure, to make it more pleasant. Let's go for strawberry kiwi now. Oh yeah. Always works well. Strawberry or kiwi. A nice refreshing kiwi blend to the strawberry sweetness. Nice balance, really all right. I like that. Now we got, ooh, this is an interesting one. Strawberry watermelon bubblegum. Let's go. Oh yeah, I'm getting that bubblegum. The bubblegum is on top here. Then I guess they did like 25% strawberry, 25% watermelon, and then the 50% bubblegum regarding to the flavor. I'm not talking about the PG, VG, the Nick salt, but yeah. Really nice. Yeah, I like that one more than the watermelon ice actually. So cherry lemon. Cherry is also one of my favorites, but it has lemon. Let's see how that works together, shall we? Oh, that's a surprising one. Nice and refreshing. Yeah. Oh, yeah. First, not many times I like cherry, but this one, pretty cool. Let's go to the last one in this one, and that's mixed berries. Oh yeah, that has like that forest fruit vibe, yeah. The forest berries. Pretty nice. I think the green one is my favorite. Good flavorings. That's what can make it or break it disposable is the flavors, of course. I think they did a pretty good job on the flavors here. I do like the device. It's quite big for one, but you have 4 different flavors to choose from. So 6. I think it's a pretty nice device there. Easy to use, easy to swap flavors. The flavors are pretty okay, all right. Do like the vapsolos. So yeah, before I go, of course, these are disposable vapes. Don't throw them in the regular bin, you know? You gotta recycle them, bring them to a household appliance store or somewhere, a place where they take in old devices and throw them with old devices, because they contain a lithium battery that is rechargeable. There is a board in there, the chips, you know, to regulate the device. So, and plastics. So yeah, recycle them in a proper way, please. And on that notion, vape life matters, and we'll see you in the next review.